Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we are going to be doing the 2-year PM kit on a Statim G4 2000. The next thing we're going to replace is the compressor filter. The compressor filter is located right here. There is a single Phillips head screw that holds that plate on. I'm going to remove that screw. And that plate should pop out. If you have any issues, you can use a small flathead and that will pop out. We're going to set that off to the side, grabbing our Cycan compressor filter. Press that into place, push that plate back over, screw that into place. The last thing we're doing to the unit itself is the biofilter. If you notice on the biofilter there is an arrow, and also on the bracket there is an arrow. You line up those arrows and the tubes will just push on. And I'm going to push down on it, and that biofilter will snap into place. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.